You're looking at the biggest ETH power move since 2021, and no one's talking about it. $837 million poured into Ethereum. And it's not retail. It's institutions. Quiet, strategic, calculated. Ethereum ETF inflows explode. Is BTC Dominance a warning signal? Welcome to CryptoAlpha Edge, your daily crypto market recap 2025. In the last 24 hours, institutional money has made a bold move, pouring hundreds of millions into Ethereum ETFs, while Bitcoin dominance slips. Today, we delve into what this shift means for the broader crypto market. First, the numbers. Ethereum spot ETFs have seen inflows for more than 11 to 15 consecutive days, totaling between $600 million and $800 million this week alone. Bitcoin ETFs, meanwhile, suffered outflows, over 50 million to 100 million withdrawn during the same period. As a result, BTC dominance has dipped by approximately 1%, down from around 64% to near 63%. This capital shift reveals a changing investor preference. Institutional capital increasingly favors Ethereum, driven by yield potential like staking and DeFi utility, while Bitcoin slides. Technically, ETH trades inside the $2,460 to $2,530 range. A breakout above could propel it to $3,000. A drop below $2,400 might trigger deeper correction. Simultaneously, BTC dominance around 63% historically precedes periods of altcoin outperformance. What do on-chain metrics say? Glassnode reports whale accumulation of ETH, not just ETF inflows. Meanwhile, funding rates on ETH futures are turning slightly positive, signaling growing long bias from futures traders. BTC, in contrast, shows neutral funding and declining open interest. Less speculative conviction. With capital shifting from BTC to ETH, attention turns to altcoins. Following the Ethereum ETF trend, tokens like Arbitrum, Monero, and Hyperliquid have begun outperforming BTC. If ETH ETF inflows continue, expect broader altcoin rotation. Watch for early signals, ETH/ARB volume, spikes and correlation breakdowns. Let's define key levels. ETH support, $2,460 to $2,530. ETH resistance, $3,000. BTC dominance pivot, 63%. A sustained ETF inflow in excess of $500 million per week may be enough to fuel ETH into its upper range. Reversal below inflow thresholds might trigger consolidation. In short, Ethereum ETF inflows are reshaping the landscape, weakening BTC dominance and lighting a fuse under altcoins. For traders, this signals long ETH above support, watch altcoin rotations, and monitor ETF volumes daily. If you want daily alerts on fund flows, dominant shifts, and on-chain signals, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. This is CryptoAlpha Edge, bringing institutional-level insights to retail traders. See you tomorrow for Funding Rate Deep Dive. This has been your daily institutional-grade crypto briefing from CryptoAlpha Edge. Stay sharp, stay early, stay informed.